Hi friends, welcome to the Ask tutorial. In this video, we'll see about cerebral palsy in detail about cerebral palsy, the causes and the types of cerebral palsy, and also the most common features, clinical features. Cerebral palsy is a disorder of movement, difficulty either in producing a movement or controlling the movement. It is caused by due to the damage to the brain, that is before birth, at and around birth or after birth, prenatal, perinatal and postnatal causes. The prenatal causes, that is before birth, is hemorrhage, maternal infections like rubella and herpes, and maternal smoking or alcohol consumption, and genetic factor. It is at and around birth. Asphyxia, lack of oxygen to the brain, then head injury at the birth, during the birth, either due to the application of forceps or the umbilical cord wrapped around the neck, and the uterine contractions. If lack of oxygen to the placenta during the birth. The postnatal care, that is after birth up to 5 years of age, infections like meningitis and encephalitis, intracranial hemorrhage and injury to the brain. There are four main types of cerebral palsy, that is the spastic CP, athetoid or dyskinetic CP, ataxic CP, and the mixed cerebral palsy. Spastic CP is the most common cerebral palsy, about 70 to 80%, caused by damage to the cerebral cortex, and there will be stiffness, high tonicity in one or more limb, and the or dyskinetic CP associated with the damage to the basal ganglia, and they have uncontrollable movements, and it is floppy in one or more limbs, and they have a high or fluctuating tone. Ataxia cerebral palsy, caused by damage to the cerebellum. They have poor balance and lack of coordination. They also have tremor and speech difficulties. In mixed CP, it is damage to the brain is not localized to one location. Two or more type of CP will be together, and most common combination is the spastic and athetoid CP. Clinical features, that is the stiffness or the floppiness, lack of balance and coordination, and tremors, delay in reaching motor skills like milestones, that is the head control, then sitting, roll over, and they have the scissoring gait, that is the spasticity in the hip adductors. It will be visualized as the hip and the knee will be pressed together, which is common in spastic diplegia. Excessive drooling, then speech difficulty, and also difficulty in fine motor skills. If we ask that CP children have low intelligence, then the answer is actually the CP does not affect directly the intelligence, but it is indirectly affected if any other part of the brain is damaged. It is not that every CP kids must have low intelligence, but there are high chances of it. Is cerebral palsy curable? The answer is it is not curable, but it is treatable. Once the brain cells are damaged, they cannot regenerate. So we have finished the topic. I hope you all would have understood it, and do comment if you have any doubts or if you need any other topics to be taught. Thank you for watching the video. Click the like button and do subscribe to my channel.